We're now on track to meet our 2% NATO target by this spring, a full decade ahead of the previous schedule. Recruitment to the Canadian Armed Forces is up by 13% since June. We've signed a series of new defence and security partnerships with allies who share our interests, who share our values and our history. We have committed to double our defence expenditures by the end of this decade, and that amounts to an additional $80 billion over the next 5 years. In total, over the next decade, Canada will invest $180 billion directly in defence procurement, $290 billion in defence and security-related infrastructure, and create over $125 billion in additional downstream economic benefits. To those ends, as the Minister mentioned, we are announcing Canada's first-ever defence industrial strategy. It's a bold plan to get our armed forces what they need when they need it. It's a bold plan to scale Canadian defence companies and to put hundreds of billions of dollars into strategic sectors of our economy while creating over 125,000 high-paying jobs across Canada. This strategy is about protecting Canada's sovereignty in its fullest sense. In other words, our ability to act independently in that more dangerous and divided world. And to be clear, this strategic autonomy doesn't mean isolation.